Lesson 42, Pronouns. In our upcoming lessons, we're going to start learning about French pronouns. And so before we get into that, I wanted to take a moment to talk about, in English, the nature of a pronoun. What is a pronoun? The definition of a pronoun you'll hear most often is this. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. And I think that's a pretty good definition. In fact, let's take a look at our first example here. Suzanne is wearing a blue dress. Suzanne bought it last week. When these two sentences are worded like this, it's a little redundant because the word Suzanne is repeated. What we could do instead is use the word she to replace the word Suzanne in the second sentence. So we could say, Suzanne is wearing a blue dress. She bought it last week. And that helps us to not repeat the word Suzanne again. So again, the word she, which is a pronoun, is taking the place of a noun, in this case a proper noun, the word Suzanne. And in the same way, if I were to say Bob, Fred, Mary, and Sarah are all going to the store, instead of naming each person's name, I could simply say they are going to the store. And likewise, I could use the word we, instead of saying myself, Martha, Bob, and Fred are going out to eat, I could say we are going out to eat. So these are pronouns, and that's how they work in sentences. And that's what we're going to be learning in French over the next few lessons. The exercises are very easy. I'll let you do those on your own. And then we'll see you again shortly in the next lesson, lesson 43, where we start to learn our first French pronoun.